This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable tasting spoons, specifically these plastic wave tasting spoons. There's 3 color options, the black, sea green, and white, and they are 5 inches long by 1.5 inches wide. They're perfect for apps at cocktail parties, single bite desserts, or for doing things like tasting or sampling menus. They feature a curved handle that makes them easy to pass to guests or easy for your customers or guests to pick up. They also have great flat bases, making them really stable for presentation, especially if you're doing something like a past app service. They have a lovely, sophisticated wave design that just has that elegant curved line to it. It makes them the perfect backdrop for a variety of different presentations. The high quality plastic is both durable and disposable, meaning that they're easy to use and cleanup is also a breeze. They're perfect for restaurants, pastry shops, caterers, or for a variety of events.